For our last multiplication video, we're going to learn to multiply by 3-digit numbers. This is very similar to multiplying by 2-digit numbers, so if you've understood everything so far, this shouldn't be too big of a jump for you. If you have not understood everything so far, please go back and rewatch the previous videos and ask me if you still need help. We're going to jump right in with 618 times 324. As always, we start by writing it in standard algorithm form, and we begin our multiplication with the ones place of the bottom number as our working digit, which means we'll start with this 4, and we'll multiply it by the top number, starting with the ones place. 4 times 8 equals 32, so we write the 2 below the line and carry the 3. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 3 we carried, which makes 7. We write our 7 below the line, and we have nothing to carry. 4 times 6 equals 24, so we write our 4 below the line in front of the 72, and we have nowhere to carry our 2, so we write it in front of the 4. We found that 618 times 4 equals 2,472. Now we move to our next working digit, which is the tens place of the bottom number, this 2. We again multiply it by the top number. Because this 2 is in the tens place, its value is really 20, so we know that the ones place of our answer will be 0. Let's go ahead and write that in the ones place of our next product row. Now we start multiplying, starting with the ones place. 2 times 8 equals 16, so we write the 6 and carry the 1. 2 times 1 equals 2, plus the carried 1 is 3, which we write in front of our 6 in the product row. 2 times 6 is 12. We carried nothing, and we have nowhere to carry our 1, so we write that 12 in the front of our product row, being careful to keep our place values lined up. We found that 618 times 20 equals 12,360. Now we have one more working digit, the 100ths place of the bottom number, this 3. Remember that its value is really 300, so we know that both the ones place and the tens place of our product will be 0. Let's go ahead and write 2 zeros into our new product row and begin multiplying by the top row, starting with the ones place. 3 times 8 equals 24, so we write the 4 in the product row and carry the 2. Now we multiply 3 times 1, which is 3, and add our carried 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5, so we write that in the product row. 3 times 6 equals 18, and that goes in front of what's already there in the product row. We found that 618 times 300 equals 185,400. All that's left now is adding the products together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 6 is 13, and we carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 equals 5, 8, 12, so we write the 2 and carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 equals 1, 3, 5, 10. Write the 0 and carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 8 equals 10. Write the 0 and carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 618 times 324 equals 200,232. We'll try one more together. 569 times 963. 3 times 9 equals 27. Write the 7 and carry the 2. 3 times 6 equals 18, plus our carried 2 equals 20. Write the 0 and carry the 2. 3 times 5 equals 15, plus 2 equals 17. There's nowhere to carry 2, so we write 17 in the product row. Next is the tens place, so we know it will end in 0. Line up our place values carefully. 6 times 9 equals 54, carry the 5. 6 times 6 equals 36, plus 5 equals 41, carry the 4. 6 times 5 equals 30, plus 4 equals 34. There's nowhere to carry 2, so 34 goes in the product row. The 100ths place will end in 2 zeros. 9 times 9 equals 81, carry the 8. 9 times 6 equals 54, plus 8 equals 62, carry the 6. 9 times 5 equals 45, plus 6 equals 51. Nowhere to carry, so 51 in the product row. Now it's just adding our products. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 0 plus 4 plus 0 equals 4. 7 plus 1 equals 9. 1 plus 4 plus 2 equals 7. 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 5 equals 5. 569 times 963 equals 547,947. Here are a few problems you can try on your own. Pause the video on each one and work it out, then resume the video to see if you have the correct answer. Congratulations, you've made it through multiplication and are now a certified pro. Remember that you can always ask me if you have questions or need more help.